Hi friends, today I am explaining boolean function minimization using kmap. So let me clear an idea on how the things will be happen. So first I'm the task of my this class is first I'm explaining boolean functions with two variables, three variables and four variables minimization using kmap. So first I'm going to explain the two variables kmap minimization. They are called two variables. A and B are the two variables. AB bar, A bar B, AB is the function is given, and our task is to minimize this given function to minimum number of terms in the boolean function. So there is a k map, Carnot map is there. By using this, we can able to minimize the function. So what is the rule of k map? So this is how we can make the table. And 0 1 is A and B. This side is A, this area is B. B is 0 and 1, A is 0 and 1. This is the write up of the k map. Next, once implement this is what is called as 1 0 as a binomial function 1 0. That means A is 1, B is 0, B is 0. So this room is belongs to keep this one in this room because it's a true function. Next 0 1, that A is 0 and B is 1. That means this is keep this as in this room as 1 because that is the true function of the given term. Next finally A and B is the true function in the given boolean function. A and B, that means 1 1 A1 B1 A1 and B1. So keep here 1. So after finalizing keeping the ones of the given terms of the boolean function, then we are minimizing. There is a different rules of minimization in the kmap. So first we encircle all them. How to encircle these boolean function means when it is folding either in this way or folding in this way. So there are two ways of folding. Once folding in this way or in this way, a number of ones are merged, that can be encircled. For example, if you merge in this way, then these two are become merged, then we can encircle it. The how many number of ones can encircle, there is a rule, that is 2 power n, where n is 0 1 2 and so on n. Suppose n is equal to 0, that means 2 power 0 is 1. That means there is a chance of possibility of one can individually merged encircle. Next, n is equal to 1 means 2 power 1 is equals to 2. That means there are two ones can be merged. Same n is equal to 2 power 2 4. Then we can have four ones are merged is a possibility. Next, n is equal to 3. That means 8 and so on. That means 8 numbers. That means the number of ones, restriction of merging of or encircle of ones is a possibility based on this 2 power n concept. So that means individually can merge or two is, that means our aim is to merging of more number of ones so that it becomes gives a minimum number of functions will be result. So in this there are no 4 ones, so our chance is only 2 ones. So we can merge when it is folded, these two can be merged. And after merging, then how do you write the function terms in the from the function? So here unchanged values. So this room is belongs to this, and these two rooms belongs to this and this. So because the encircle of ones covers this room, this row and the two columns. So and grab the things from unchanged, those who are unchanged, and take it away. So since it is belongs to this room, here 1 is always 1. That means 1 means we can write as A. Next, from here B is changed from B bar 0 to 1. That means B bar 2. That means B is changed. So we can discard the thing. So this is the way to write the term. Next, second, this way we can merge because it is folded in row wise. So this room is belongs to this column and these two rows. But column means since plus, because how many number of encircles means we are adding up, summing up. First encircle and second encircle, summing of the two. So here this room belongs to 0 to 1. A changes from 0 to 1 means we cannot do anything, we can discard it. But whereas in this room is belongs to only B area. That means B is 1 means we can write this as B. So this is the final kmap of two variables. Right. Next, coming to the three variables here. Then let it be Here, for example, ABC, A bar C. Let us assume that this is the function. And similarly, as per our previous concept, so first write three variables. That means this is one variable and these two are two variables. So one variables, there are two possibilities, 0 and 1. And here two variables means 2 power 2, 4 variables, 4 rooms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 rooms. This is how we can impose our placing of K-map. And that means this is the 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. See here, don't forget it, based on the folding type, this is instead of, actually there is go in a sequence 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, but due to the folding of, we changed or we placed it in this way, 1, 1 here and 1, 0. This is the rule of K-map, and this is 0 and 1. Next task is placing of these terms in the boolean function into 1. That means this is true 1, this is 1, this is 1. So first ABC means A is 1, B is 1, C is 1. A 1, 1, 1, 1, all ones. This is A1 and keep here. Next is A bar is 0, 1, 1. That means BC 1, 1. So 0, 1, 1. Keep here. Next is A1, B0, C1. 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1 means this is 1 and this is 0, 1. So this is how we can place it. So, and next task is try to minimize the function. So there is a chance of encircle here, and while encircling, this room belongs to this. That means A is unchanged, and these encircle belongs to these two column rooms. That means take the unchanged value. So take the unchanged value. Unchanged means this is B and this is C. This is B. B changes from 0 to 1 and C changes C 1 to 1. That means C has no change in C. So that's why, since it is 1 means, then we can write this as C. That means this encircling belongs to, which gives the value of minimizer value A and C. How it comes? This room belongs to row of single row. This is 1. 1 means A, and this is covers two rooms, two column rooms, 0, 1 and 1, 1. 0, 1 means B is 0 and 1 is, C is 1, and B is 1 and C is 1. That means B changes from 0 to 1 and C 1 to 1. That means consider only unchanged value. So since C is not C is not changing, it's as it is 1 to 1. So that means C is. And next term is this is encircle. So during this encircle, this encircling value covers only single column and it covers two rows. So row 0 changes from 0 to 1, means A changes from 0 to 1, then we can discard it because it is changing. So now coming to this, so this is BC is single room, so we consider only BC is unchanged. That means we can write this as BC. So this is how means 3 variable function. Now let us move to 4 variable function. Let us move to 4 variable function. Now let us consider A, B, C, D, A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar plus A, B, D. This is A, B, D plus A bar, B, C, D. And this is considered this value. Now for this we need to find a K-map of 2 by 2. That means 2 variables and 2 variables, separate them. This is a K-map. 2 variables in the row column wise and 2 variables in the row wise. That means this is AB and this is CD. That means there are two variables. Possible is 0, 0, 0, 1 and not 1, 0. As I told in the previous, in the case of 2 variables, this becomes 1, 1 and 1. This is the rule. And similarly there are 2 variables, 0, 0, 0, 1. Similarly here also 1, 1 and 1, 0. This is the way to find, to place that K-map values. Next task is, and place these ones here. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, 1, 1, 1, 1. That means all ones. these two are 1 and these two are 1. So come, these are merged means coming to this. Next 0 0 0 1, that means 30 AB 0 0 0 0 1, that means 0 0 0 1 placed here. Next is 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 means this is 1 1 1 0 1 1 here. Next is 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1, here. This is how we can, after finishing it, and we are trying to merge it once. That means already as we discussed, only 2 numbers for single one merged, 2 merged, and 4 merged, and 8 merged. Even though there are 3 ones side by each other, but we can't merge it. So first is, let us side by side means first you merge like this, but this merging belongs to these 2 rows and the single column. So these 2 rows means consider only unchanged value. A is not changed from 1 to 1. A is, so take it as A. Next, this since it is in the same column, that means CD, A C D. Next is encircle these 2. That means here this encircling covers these 2 rows. Only B is as it is. This value is B. B is unchanged. Take B. And next is CD. CD is unchanged. Next, coming to this, only it's alone, so we can encircle, because 2 power 0 means 1. Okay, 1 we can encircle it. So this covers only this row and this column. So that means A bar, B bar, C bar, D. A bar, B bar, C bar, D. So this is answer. This is how we can pose or we can calculate the minimized function of given Boolean functions logics in terms of by using K-map.